What have you guys seen that you like?
So someone asked me that question. It took me a while to figure that out. There's two things that I like. Number one is Facebook Kids. I think that's great. So I have a 10-year-old sister, and we basically talk on the phone when I call my dad, basically, right? And she'll get on the phone. But now she has a Facebook Kids account, and so she'll message me, or we'll do audio chats or video calls and stuff like that. And so it's kind of cool that my 10-year-old sister has this capability to do that, right? And I guess it's very closely monitored by the parents of that account, which is pretty cool. And then the other thing that I have liked was the 7:00 pot beating thing. Have you seen that? I'm not exactly sure what who the brand is, but like at 7 p.m., I guess, for the medical people and the first responders and all those people, you beat the pots. Mm-hmm. Which I thought was just interesting. It got my attention. But those are the two that that I've thought of.
Good intentions. A good way to try and annoy the people that you're around every second of the day even more, right? Clank, clank, clank.
I guess, but also those people don't get the notoriety.
No, I agree. I'm just messing around. Tim, what are your thoughts?
Yeah. No, I think that now is the time to try something new. I mean, it's really the wild, wild west out there, and since there's no standard, so to speak, for all the people that are running businesses, try it. And if it doesn't work, stick with it for a little bit. And if it doesn't, pivot, move on. But you got to do whatever you can. Which leads me to a question that I have: how do you keep the loyalty during this break with your customers to make sure that when doors open, that they do come back?
Yeah, well, and that's the biggest thing, because once things open back up, we have no really idea how if people are going to I can't wait to go back out, or if people are going to be a little bit hesitant. I think it'd probably be a little bit of both. I think the younger demographics will probably skew towards, let me go out and get some drinks and some food and hang out and see my friends. The older demographics might be a little bit more cautious as things kind of open back up. Either way, what can we do to make sure that we are top of mind, that we're the place that people actually want to go? Because if you have one chance to go to a restaurant the first time things open back up, why is somebody going to pick you, right? Will they pick you? And if not, then they're picking your competitors or somebody else. So, what can we do now to ensure that? I mean, one thing you can do, and it's a little bit more tactical than strategic, is you try and sell gift cards, $50 for $100 worth of gift cards, to get some revenue coming in. And those are some customers will at least come back in the future. Now, obviously, that's not going to be a ton of revenue down the road, but it's still kind of top of mind for those types of customers. I think that's the biggest thing I can think of right off the top of my head.